Hi guys, it's Gaming Time with Bello again, and we are playing Until This Thing Loads. You'll see the title what we're playing. When you do, you might know the game or not. And if you don't know it, you'll see in the Play Store. If you put the title name down, you're gonna probably ask me, how did I get it for free? Just do not ask because, okay, you already seen the title that I said it right there. You need it. We are playing the Escapers. How to play Escapers? All you gotta do, you're in prison, you gotta escape without being killed or anything else. So let's start already. So I'm just starting a new game. I'm gonna do that, guys. If you don't know how to do this, I do it like this for shorter. If you want to write this game time shorter, T for time, and then I put W, B. That's how I put it's gaming time with Devil, but in a short name, since I can't fit the entire thing. Change characters. I'm gonna be Mr. Bald. Ooh, I could custom my own prison character. Well, you're gonna have to wait for this. This will take a while to change the name. I am gonna put people's names on the okay, and we are heading on, and if you want, you can search up these 5 different YouTubers. You can search up Markiplier, PewDiePie, Jacksepticeye, because I'm Freddy, because Golden Freddy, Foxy, Bonnie, and Freddy, and then you can search up 2 more YouTubers. You can search up Fastbolt as a YouTuber, and Gabriel Perez. So, let's get started. Would you like to play the level tutorial first? No, I think I'm fine. So, if you want to search up the game, then skip right. You have to buy the game. I didn't buy the game. I downloaded it from a certain app, but I'm not gonna tell. Maybe I will, maybe not. Because this app could mess up your device very badly. So, you already know everything about this game. You are in prison. You might notice the name. Where is this the names? That means that name that they're calling, that's actually me. It's called It's Gaming Time with Bevel. For real. Because I couldn't put the full name, so I made my name shorter and I just put the initials. Okay, dear It's Gaming Time with Bevel. Welcome to certain perks, the most comparable low security prison in the country. All we have, all the state have, would be relaxing and visiting the camp. So let's see, there's Freddy, Gabriel Perez. Oh wait, there's Phasmo behind me. Gabriel Perez is next to me. Sorry I'm late. What are you talking about? Markiplier at the end. Jacksepticeye is somewhere. PewDiePie is next to it. Oh, and Phasmo is next to Jacksepticeye. Following winners have won the cell search. PewDiePie and Phasmo. Their rooms are being checked. So, one thing, when they see they're gonna check it, never ever hide anything in your room. Like, anything that's wrong. Trust me, I did that before, and I did it so wrong that I messed up my life. I was almost out of the prison, and it was night. Okay. So there will be different parts of me playing this, until I escape. How do I grab this? Oh, there we go. I'm sitting next to Gabriel Perez. What's up, bro? There's a meal in my... Wait, there's a fly in my meal. Give me that pudding. Oh, wait, we're having a morning free period. So, ooh, friends. Phasmo me. Oh, wait, Phasmo. I can buy something from him, but I have no moolah. We cool, bro? Yes, we're cool. Okay, so... Oh. Also, because if you do it, they will actually put the whole place on lockdown. They'll make sure everyone is in the room. And they'll try to get me done it. Which I'm always doing something bad. So, I got nothing. Go to journal. You can see notes and you can see how to get out. So, you can build stuff. I got pretty far, but I almost made it. I stayed for 32 days on this place last time I played, but I'm sure I'll do it fine. I will have to take it time by time to make sure I do it fine. So, first thing, is the bed to make them think I'm sleeping, but I'm not. So I need a pillow, and a bedsheet. 2 pillows and a bedsheet. So I'm just gonna. No, I don't want to rest. I don't want to be arrested. Oh no! I'm out. Okay, Also, never punch anyone because they'll get mad and they'll try to kill you. So I'm making a bed dummy. Boom. It's like Minecraft bed dummy. Oh wait, I can't put the bed dummy yet. I need. What's that? Oh, it was PewDiePie. So let me just put the bed. Pillow now. Give it up. Okay, I'm out. I'm going to my room. There we go. Now it looks like I'm sleeping, but I'm not. There we go. Put the bedsheet back. Oh no! Who's fighting? It was Phasmo. Phasmo. White. What? Phasmo has a knife. He has a knife. I'm not gonna take the plastic net. I'm just gonna take the glue, probably the sock too. I want to take the sock because I can make a weapon. So, no part of Sudo. Okay, so journal. What was it? Something. Oh wait, glue for paper mache. Paper mache is for the fake net. Ready lunch. Okay, I'm coming. Phasmo is still dead on the ground. Gabriel Perez. Both look alike. I want to shoot next to Markiplier. Where's Mark? No, that's Golden Freddy. Are you Mark? Oh wait, Mark is the blue guy. It's Markiplier. How am I forgetting that? I forgot. I dressed them all up, and Markiplier's a blue guy, which I'm sitting next to. So who am I sitting with? I'm sitting with Jacksepticeye, Gabriel Perez, and Markiplier, and also it's me. So we're all YouTubers. Oh no! I didn't want to do laundry. Oh wait! Is that my position job? Is it my job? So yeah, it is my job. Get some dirty clothes. Got... Boom. Oh. Okay. Go. Put that in there. You're welcome. So, I'm washing. I could actually take the cop costume and wear it on. And they will probably know it was me. Let me just put a profile, seek out my shirt. Go, oh, I'm a guard. Looking like a guard now. Oh my god, 18 coins for my money. Okay, I'm probably gonna take 30 coins. Oh no. Oh no. Throw away that. Good work, clean shirt, and good work for me. I'm naked. Oh no, they're fighting! It was Freddy and whoever. Oh wait. Oh, it was Golden Freddy. Okay, I'm coming. Let me actually switch my profile. I think I'm gonna get caught. Bad. I threw my shirt. No! I don't need to be naked in public. Golden Freddy. What? Letter for Bonnie, letter for Gabriel Perez, and letter for Bonnie again. Markiplier. Yep. Markiplier showering next to Markiplier. Of power, that means I will be caught by the cops. 14. If he gets all the way to 100, lockdown! And they're gonna probably change time on this guy, but it's not there. Let me just throw this guard outfit out there. It's trash. So I wanna be careful. There are also jobs. Oh, I wanted a shirt next to Markiplier. Who am I sitting with? I'm sitting with Phasmo and Foxy. Oops, I didn't want to do that. Oh, sorry, but I had to take that much class. I need that for a shovel. I need inventory paper. I'm stealing something from Gabriel Perez. Oh. Oh. Okay. Craft some Minecraft stuff. get hurt. So I think that's gonna be the end of the video for now, guys. But if you like this video, I will do other parts of this. And if you like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, or even like. And I will be making other parts of this. So see you later, guys.